Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this olive tree with a branch that I found in my neighborhood, some olive tree stems, a little bit of hot glue, and a drill. This was really simple to do and didn't take much time at all. For this project, you will need a branch. I found this one, some olive tree picks, branches, clippers for wire and for the tree branch, a drill, hot glue gun, and a basket and some stuff to fill it with, and then some moss to hide that it is filled in the basket. I did use a piece of sandpaper, I forgot to mention that in the first part, to clean off some of the moss and imperfections of the branch. I'm also pulling off some of the other small branches. I'll be drilling in those spots, but for now I'm just cleaning up the dirt and moss and pollen that was on the branch. Now I'm pulling apart the olive branches, separating some of the greenery and then the stems, so it'll be easier to attach them to the branch. So this is me just pulling those apart. For this part, I'm using an 1/8 of an inch drill bit. It was the same size as the stem of the olive branches, and that's what I used. So I'm just right now kind of figuring out where to place all of the small branches and yeah, lining everything up and then drilling some holes and adding some hot glue. When I was drilling these holes, I went in at an angle and I made sure not to go all the way through the branch. I just went part way through. I hope this makes sense. So this is just a lot of repeating the same process over and over until you get the look that you want, or the achieved look. So it's just a lot of drilling, hot gluing, and adding the stem to the branch. I had this basket, I did paint it white, added some moss on top, and here it is, my olive tree. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Very simple, and I totally love it. So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial.